Welcome to my channel. My name is 𝗶𝗂𝗪𝗏𝗀, and today I want to show you something very personal, something I wish I knew very much earlier about the YouTube business. You know, I lost access to 3 of my YouTube channels. Yes, all of them with thousands of subscribers, simply because of mistakes I made. And trust me, it wasn't just a small setback. It was heartbreaking. You know how difficult it is to grow and monetize a YouTube channel, not to talk of 3. All the time, the efforts, the resources, energy put into it to grow and monetize these YouTube channels, and just to wake up one morning and all is gone. I don't wish even my enemy to experience that. So if you are a creator on YouTube, maybe you are just starting your YouTube channel or you are growing an existing channel already, I honestly does not want what happened to me to happen to you. So in this video, I will share the 3 biggest YouTube mistakes that cost me everything. Mistakes I wish you will avoid. Mistake number 1, creating multiple YouTube channels with one email account. This first mistake was something I never thought would be a problem, especially when you can create a brand email account on the same email, which is mostly used only for YouTube channels. So I created 3 different YouTube channels all under one email account. At first, it felt so convenient. One email, easy to manage, right? And I was able to connect all my earnings from those 3 channels to one AdSense account. But when YouTube deleted my main YouTube channel, for reasons I do not fully understand, I lost access to all my remaining 2 channels because they were tied to one Google email account. It was like watching everything you have ever built collapse at once. Suddenly, I couldn't log in, I couldn't manage or access even my YouTube studio for my other 2 channels. That singular moment taught me a very painful lesson. Remember, YouTube connects your channels through your Google account. So if you lose one, you stand the risk of losing them all, because you will be seeing other channels live on YouTube, but you can't access them, you can't manage them, you can't even get access through the YouTube studio. My advice is, if you want to create multiple YouTube channels, create each of them with different emails. Keep each of them separate with different email accounts. That way, if anything happens to one of your YouTube channels, other ones will be saved. Before I continue with the second biggest YouTube mistake, if you're getting value from this video, simply go ahead and like this video. Just click on the like button below. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. Number 2 mistake is not backing up your videos and data. This is the second mistake and maybe the hardest to accept. When my YouTube channels were deleted, all my videos, comments, analytics, and memories disappeared. And sadly, there was nothing I could do. I realized too late that relying solely on YouTube was risky. The hard work of months, even years, just vanished in an instant. If I had saved backups, copies of my videos, maybe in a flash or on a computer, or possibly I did cloud storage, then I could have and started another YouTube channel faster. So if you are watching this video, please do yourself a favor. If you plan to do YouTube long term, always keep a backup of every video you upload. Protect your content as if it is good, because truly it is as a creator. The third mistake is ignoring YouTube's community guidelines updates. As you know, YouTube has community guidelines, and these community guidelines has been created over the years, right? Now, those guidelines do not just end there. As time goes on, they update these guidelines, and sometimes you may not be aware of it if you do not check or get notification on those updates. I thought I am creating good content, and how could this be a problem? But YouTube rules are strict, and sometimes a small misunderstanding or accidental violation can cost you big. I didn't take the time to fully understand what was allowed and what was not, despite the fact that I read through the community guidelines. I have read the YouTube community guidelines earlier, I've studied it carefully, but I did not take the time to fully understand what was allowed and what wasn't allowed in the YouTube community guidelines update that was done in December 2024. And guess what? One warning here, one strike, and my channel was at risk. and next thing, my channel was removed. Everything was happening so fast. Losing your channel because of something preventable actually feels devastating. So I advise you to take time and study the YouTube community guidelines. Follow all the updates that will be done on the guidelines so that you don't fall victim. The YouTube community guidelines link will be at the description of this video so that anyone can access it and read through them carefully. Make sure your content respects them fully. It is just about following the rules, and it's about protecting your income and traffic source, your passion, your voice, and your community. If you found this video informative, then drop a comment below. I would like to know. And don't forget to like this video if you have not done that. If you're a YouTube creator and you want to grow and monetize your YouTube channel, if you're interested in YouTube tips as well as AI tools that can help you grow your YouTube channel fast, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next valuable YouTube success videos.